Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get unlimited money and max level in Shadow Fight 2. First, understand that achieving these in-game advantages often involves methods outside of standard gameplay, bypassing the usual grind. We'll explore common approaches, but it's crucial to be aware of the potential risks involved. Many players seek to reach the highest attainable level, which is 52, and accumulate millions of coins and thousands of gems quickly. Let's dive into the details. One popular approach is utilizing modified game files, commonly known as modded APKs for Android devices. These are essentially altered versions of the original game, often pre-configured to grant you vast amounts of in-game currency, like millions of coins and thousands of gems, or even unlock all items. When considering this method, always exercise extreme caution. Only download from highly reputable sources to significantly reduce the risk of introducing malware or corrupting your device's data. Verification steps are key. Another avenue involves exploiting in-game glitches or bugs that developers might have overlooked. These temporary vulnerabilities can sometimes allow players to rapidly accumulate resources, such as earning thousands of gems or millions of coins through repetitive actions, or gaining experience points at an accelerated rate to reach level 52 much faster. However, it's important to remember that game developers frequently release updates to patch these exploits, meaning their effectiveness and availability can be quite short-lived. Always be mindful of game updates. While the allure of unlimited money and max level is strong, it's vital to understand the significant risks. Using unofficial methods can lead to severe consequences, including permanent account bans, irreversible data loss, or even compromising your device's security with malicious software. Always prioritize your digital safety. Furthermore, consider the impact on fair play and the overall game community. Many players value the challenge and progression of earning their achievements legitimately. Weigh these factors carefully before making your decision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.